Excitement, not sacrifice. So I followed the crowd. I wanted to read the word loss, but when the lights went off, when the chats went quiet, when the promises expired, I was still empty, still searching, still wounded.
Then I met a different love. Not loud, not flashy, not desperate. A love nailed to the wood. A love crowned with thorns. A love that stayed when others ran. A love that bled so that I can breathe again. Christ did not love with mouth alone. He loved with wounds. He loved with obedience. He loved with truth.